Yes, my people, good day. How are you feeling today? I hope you're doing fine. Spend a few moments with me as I complete this oil change on this Porsche Cayenne. All that you see me doing here is just replacing all the plastic that is on the lower part of this vehicle that had to be removed just to change the oil. So this is one of the reasons an oil change on a high-end European car cannot be $19.99 or $29.99. You spend almost a half an hour removing panels and installing panels. Nothing to do with the drain and fill. The drain and fill took a whole maybe 10 minutes, if that much. But all this other stuff that you see me doing here, now bear in mind, this is sped up 2.5 times. And you see the work I'm putting in. This is real work here. This is not just let me just drop this panel or shift it to the side or what. No. This is literal, real work. I could do brake pads in this time right here. Like on a Honda or something. I could have put a set of brake pads on. And all I'm doing is just putting the plastic back on because it has multiple fasteners. I have to be using extensions to get into places just to put plastic back on. It's okay. I'm not complaining, but I'm just pointing it out. When you got a high-end European car, an oil change is like $300, $400 for an oil change. The amount of oil needed, the cost of the filter, and labor. But yeah, man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah! And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.